Check out this channel. With just 26 videos, it's already gained 62,000 subscribers. These kinds of videos are going viral right now, and every single one is pulling in huge views. So today, I'm going to show you how to create AI-generated videos just like these, using only free AI tools. First, you'll need the prompt document linked in the description. It has two parts: concept generation, where ChatGPT gives you interesting story ideas, and a master prompt, which will generate image prompts and video prompts. Start by copying the concept generation part, open ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit generate. ChatGPT will give you 10 concepts, each with a story idea and a twist. Then copy the master prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, pick the topic you like most, and insert your topic name inside the brackets. Add a time duration. For this tutorial, I'll use 30 seconds, and hit generate. Now ChatGPT will provide image prompts, video prompts, sound designs, and mood. Next, open Flow for image generation. Click Settings, select Image, choose your aspect ratio, set Output to 2, and pick the model Nano Banana Pro. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, paste it into Flow, and below that paste the story and camera angle details, then hit generate. Flow will give you 2 images. Download the one you prefer. For the second image, copy its prompt, paste it into Flow with the story and camera angle details, then upload the first downloaded image to keep consistency and generate. Repeat this process for all images. Now for video generation, stay in Flow AI. Click Settings, switch to Video, select Ingredients, choose your aspect ratio, set Output to 1, and pick the model Veo 3.1 Fast. Upload the first image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt from Scene 1, paste it into Flow, and below that paste the sound design and mood. Then click Generate. Download that first clip in upscaled quality. For the second video, upload the second image, copy the second video prompt from ChatGPT, paste the sound design and mood beneath it, generate, and download upscaled. Follow the same steps for all videos. Once all clips are ready, open any editing software. For this tutorial, I'm using CapCut. Import all the video clips, drag them into the timeline in order, slightly zoom in on each clip to hide the watermark, and export in high resolution. That's it. Your final video is ready to go.
Look, it's glowing. What is it? Be careful. It feels alive. I've never seen anything like this.
Gasp. Take it! Hoorah! Hoorah! For the Queen! Go! Go!
Hold it, I'm slipping. Push left, hurry! No, right, watch out!
Work hard, brothers.
Work right.
Stop.
Hiss! Get out! Get out! We're running! Run, it's hatching! Hiss! Move! Falling debris! Hurry! Hiss! We can still eat it! Are you insane? Just look at it! It's still a source of protein! It's a snake, Dave! A snake!
For the Queen! Charge!
And that is exactly how you can create these viral ant colony videos using nothing but free AI tools. If this helped you at all, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.